Ever wondered if your Beam wallet plays nice with the world's largest crypto exchange? It's a common question, and one that cuts right to the heart of convenience and accessibility in the crypto space. You've got your Beam coins. Perhaps you're interested in the privacy-focused aspects of the Beam blockchain, or maybe you're just looking for the easiest way to manage your assets. And when it comes to exchanges, Binance is often the first name that pops into mind for many. So, does Binance directly support Beam Wallet, allowing for seamless transfers and direct interaction? Let's dive in and clarify how these two interact. First, it's important to understand the distinction between an exchange listing a cryptocurrency and directly integrating with a specific wallet. Binance does support the Beam cryptocurrency, Beam. This means you can absolutely buy, sell, and trade Beam on the Binance exchange. In fact, it's one of the most popular platforms for trading Beam, with significant trading volume. You can deposit Beam from an external Beam wallet to your Binance account, and withdraw Beam from your Binance account to a Beam wallet. So, in that sense, there's certainly support for the Beam asset. However, when people ask, does Binance support Beam Wallet, they often mean something more direct, like being able to connect your Beam desktop or mobile wallet directly to Binance for trading, or if Binance has a built-in Beam Wallet function that acts as a true Beam blockchain wallet. The answer here is a bit more nuanced. Binance is a centralized exchange. This means that when you hold Beam on Binance, you're holding it in Binance custodial wallet. They manage the private keys, and you have an account balance on their platform. While this offers convenience for trading, it's not the same as holding your Beam in a self-custodial Beam wallet where you control your own private keys. Beam itself offers its own dedicated wallets, desktop, mobile, and even a web wallet extension. These are self-custodial wallets designed specifically for the Beam blockchain, offering its unique privacy features. When you want to trade Beam on Binance, you'll typically send your Beam from your personal Beam wallet to your Binance deposit address for Beam. Once the transaction is confirmed on the Beam blockchain, your Beam will be credited to your Binance account, and you can then trade it. Similarly, if you buy Beam on Binance, you can then withdraw it to your personal Beam wallet. So, while there isn't a direct connect your Beam wallet to Binance button in the same way you might connect a MetaMask wallet to a decentralized application, Binance undeniably supports the trading and holding of the Beam cryptocurrency. The integration is at the asset level, allowing you to move Beam between your self-custodial Beam wallet and your Binance exchange account as needed. This is a standard process for most cryptocurrencies on centralized exchanges. So, you can trade and hold Beam on Binance, and you can send Beam to and from your dedicated Beam wallet. The support is there for the cryptocurrency itself, facilitating your ability to acquire or divest of your Beam tokens. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.